How to Brew Beer, your step-by-step guide to brewing beer. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Sam Slidell. Introduction. In this guide, I am going to give you the secret that every man has wanted since the dawn of time. I am going to tell you how to brew your very own beer. This is not some cheap pamphlet that will leave you wanting more, wondering the ins and outs that were skipped over. I will cover the initial products that you will need, the essence of the process, give you a step-by-step guide to doing it all yourself that anyone can follow, and of course, the glorious end result. There are all sorts of economic reasons for brewing your own beer, but above all, there is the incredible sense of satisfaction it provides. Another thing to think of is the satisfaction that having your friends over to taste your new beer brings with it, and you will find this incredibly satisfying. Another advantage is being able to tailor the taste of your beer to your own design. Now, surely that in itself is a wonderful thing to be able to have, a beer not only of your own making, but of your own design. You do need a home brew kit, and you have probably bought one of those from a supermarket and disliked the result. Well, I certainly don't blame you, as there are some faults with them which we will avoid in our approach, giving you much more freedom with your beer taste and quality. You can tweak the measurements to create the perfect blend for your taste. Just as long as you stick to the step-by-step instructions, you can make a beer better than those that are served at your local bar. You are getting yours fresh and straight from the brewery that is your home. Most people underestimate just how different people treat you when you are brewing your own beer. But it is hilarious how all of a sudden everyone wants to be your friend. I have found there's about a month of them disappearing to make their own after a few weeks, usually for them to come back with long faces and how they have missed talking to you, drinking your wonderful beer. The reason that you will succeed where they have failed is they do not have this wonderful guide to get them on the way. Another thing is that companies will try and con you that for the best beer you need this product or that product, but with this guide I will tell you exactly what you need and no more. What makes a decent beer is what you want. What makes a great beer is what is great to you, and that comes with knowledge, practice, and experimentation, not with fancy, unique products. What you need is a home brewing kit, or simply buy the ingredients and crush them down with a roller first of all. Follow these instructions, and not those on your home beer kit packet, and you will be fine. Of course, I have left the best until last. From getting what you need together to actually tasting that beer can take under 30 days. And there is no limit to how much you decide to make, or indeed share with your newfound friends. So ask yourself, isn't it about time you forget about those noisy pubs and nights of designated drivers? Brew your own beer in your own home, and enjoy it on your couch if you like, in the warm, doing whatever you want. It is your house after all, and you have control. You have the beer.